Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Bybit P2P. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top there's this address bar. Type down bybit.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, what you need to do is make sure you have created an account and verified a Bybit account and completed your KYC. From here, you need to select this P2P here. And next is you need to select this USDT over here beside it. And you need to select this buy. And here you need to enter the amount and select buy over here. And from here, you can also find all of the advertiser. If you want to buy USDT here, you need to select to this buy USDT and follow the on-screen instruction. And after that, you need to select your fiat currency and preferred payment method such as bank transfer or another supported option. You can choose a seller with high completion rate, example 95% plus many completed orders, a suitable price. And after that, you can enter the amount of USDT or the amount of fiat you want to spend and place the order. And after that, transfer the money only using the payment details shown in the Bybit order. And after sending the payment, tap payment completed and wait for the seller to confirm. And once they release the USDT, it will appear in your funding account. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.